Hi, good morning, everyone. That's right. We're here in Oshawa at Lakeridge Health, and this is one of the hospitals within the healthcare system here in Durham Region. Durham Region, by the way, growing region, more and more people moving to the area. That's why Lakeridge Health really needs to expand, bring in new equipment. We're going to show you and explain what this room is all about. I'm going to bring in Dana Robinson from Lakeridge Health Foundation. Good morning.
Good morning.
All right, so in our previous segment, we saw a brand new PET CT scan. What is this that we're looking at right now?
So we're doing a little bit of a time warp here now. We've seen one of our newest rooms, and now we're in a space with a piece of equipment that is 17 years old. A gamma camera, similar to what the PET CT is if you've been tuning in. The patient will ingest a radioactive tracer, and these cameras are used to sort of see where that tracer goes throughout the body. And it's used for bone scans, lung scans, and other types of sort of cancer imaging. This is really important for the larger part of the hospital and our cancer center as well. And really, this holiday season, we're looking for donor support and participation through the Split the Pot lottery to help us replace this gamma camera.
Now, oftentimes when you think of something that's 17 years old, it doesn't sound that old, but no, you have issues with this type of machine right now because of its age.
Absolutely. So it is in repair quite frequently, and when we have a machine that's in repair, that really impacts patient wait times. And so it's important to replace equipment before it gets too old and sort of beyond the point of repair. And when you think about it, how often do you replace your cell phone? So a machine like this, 17 years old, we're not using 17-year-old cell phones. And so the government doesn't fund equipment replacement like this. And that's why we rely on donor dollars and participation through activities like Split the Pot lottery or other donor events to fund equipment throughout the hospital, but especially in our diagnostic imaging area.
Yeah, and then I was speaking to a technologist. It's not only that the machine breaks down, it's actually hard to get the parts for this because of its age. And that complicates things.
It does, and that's why we have a campaign right now to replace a number of different diagnostic imaging pieces of equipment, from ultrasounds to a new CT machine and a gamma camera.
And you know, I support all healthcare workers and the good work that they do. Really, at the end of the day, we have population growth here in Durham Region, and this is a really good middle point between two large cities. And so it's helpful to invest in this area because of the population growth.
Absolutely. Durham Region is one of the fastest growing areas in all of Canada, and so the healthcare system has to keep up, and we need donor support to do that.
Yeah, and every dollar does make a difference. Like, a piece of equipment can literally save somebody's life.
It does, and when we have hundreds or thousands of people supporting, your $25 donation or your support through Split the Pot really grows into the ability to replace a piece of equipment like this. And
our viewers have always been so generous. I was told that last time we were here. They could see the donations coming in. I'm not surprised. But, you know, people have a real connection, and what's really cool about Split the Pot is it's bringing 83 hospitals together. It's the largest kind of partnership that you see in Canada.
It is, and Lakeridge Health Foundation was one of the first hospital foundations to join Split the Pot. So we've been there from the beginning, and we've really seen the support come through. You know, equipment like this diagnostic imaging equipment or something in our cancer center really impacts patient care. And so we're very grateful to anybody who participates, but also we want to encourage people right now to give to Split the Pot. There's an early bird draw today, and the grand prize total is $500,000.
Yeah, and basically you're also making a difference. So you have a choice when you make that donation, when you purchase a ticket, you have the choice of allowing it to be spread out over 83 hospitals, or pick a hospital that's near and dear to your heart, like Lakeridge Health. Every dollar does make a difference. We're getting an idea of how the new technology literally saves lives. So all you have to do is go to splitthepot.ca or call that 1-833 number. Or scan the QR code, and there's different ways of purchasing tickets. You can buy 5 for $10. Best value really is 600 tickets for $100. And again, as Dana mentioned, today is the early bird deadline. The grand prize deadline is November 26th, so you don't want to miss out with a guaranteed jackpot of $500,000. Come on, go for it. Splitthepot.ca for all the information. Thank you so much. It's been wonderful. We'll send it back to you in studio.